The first thing I want to do is create a folder named MATLAB_exercises at the root of the C drive. There are a couple of different ways I can do this. I can click on this Browse button here, which opens a fairly typical window where I can create folders and do file management. I'm going to do something different though. Notice that the path to the current folder is listed here. I can move to any point on this path just by clicking on the appropriate point. The root of the C drive is here. If I click here, that becomes my current folder. Now from the current folder window, I can also create folders. So right-click, create a new folder, name it, and press Enter. Now I can make this folder my current working folder by double-clicking on it in the current folder window. Now it's my current folder. I can create a folder named ex2p1 inside this folder again by right-clicking in the current folder window, new folder, giving it the name, and pressing Enter. Now to make this the current folder, I double-click on it again. Now here's the path to my current folder. I can create some variables in my workspace. So var equals 3. var2 is equal to 12 plus var. var3 is equal to 2 times var plus 3. I can create a string variable containing my name by typing the variable name. An assignment operator. Strings are enclosed in single quotes. So quote, and there's my string. Now I want to save my workspace in the ex2p1 folder as chap2_ex1. I can do that by clicking on this Save Workspace icon on the tool strip, or I can right-click in the Workspace window and select Save. The current working folder is the default location to save things, so I don't have to change that. The file name goes there. The .mat extension is the default. Click on Save. My file appears in the current folder. Now I'm going to clear all of the variables out of my workspace. To do that, I can click on this Clear Workspace button on the tool strip, or I can right-click on the Workspace window and select Clear Workspace. Now all my variables are gone, as you can see from the Workspace window. To restore my variables, I can load the chap2_ex1.mat file by clicking on the Import Data icon, or I can simply double-click on it in the current folder window. My variables are back, as you can see from the Workspace window.